I Will Teach You to Be Rich. No guilt, no excuses, just a 6-week program that works by Ramit Sethi is a New York Times bestseller about how to earn more, save more, and ultimately live your rich life. First, you need to start taking responsibility with your money. The education system didn't teach you how to manage your money, let alone invest it. The reality is, it's down to you to figure it out. So stop making excuses and start taking responsibility for your financial actions. Focus on the big wins and don't sweat the small stuff. Ramit is a huge fan of focusing on the big wins in life, like automating your savings and investing, finding a job you love, and negotiating hard for a strong salary. If you get these big wins right early, then you'll never have to worry about your finances again. The big wins will make far more impact to your financial situation than cutting coupons and not buying the odd flat white. People spend far too much time on the small questions and nowhere near enough time on the big questions. Get your finances automated instead of sweating the small stuff. Put away that budget spreadsheet. Instead, create an automated conscious spending plan where everything is allocated and paid off in full each month, and your savings and investments are automatically deposited into the appropriate accounts. Do a little bit of work now to allow you to put your feet up and reap big rewards later on. Allocate some money for guilt-free spending so that you can spend on things that truly excite you whilst knowing that you have taken care of your future finances. This conscious spending plan removes the need for willpower, helping you to build good habits whilst preventing the irrational human brain from messing it up. Investing. Ramit is a huge fan of index funds because they are easy, low cost, and they work. He recommends that for most people, they should decide how much they want to invest, set up an automated bank transfer each month, and invest it into a target date retirement fund that takes care of the asset allocation and rebalancing, etc. for you. You don't need to get things perfect. Get it 85% or so right and then move on. Getting started and getting your money invested and working hard for you is far more important than becoming an investing expert. You need to get started as soon as possible. Your future self will regret every single day that you waited until you unleash the compounding machine. There's a limit to how much you can cut costs, but no limit on your earning potential. Focus on trying to grow your income by either investing in your education, negotiating your salary, or by looking for career opportunities that will give you a chance to get an instant pay rise. Understand what your rich life is. Ramit constantly talks about spending extravagantly on the things you love, whilst cutting costs mercilessly on the things you don't. To do this, you need to understand what you are working towards and what is important to you in life. To me, a rich life is having the freedom to choose how I spend my time and to have enough passive income coming in to allow me and my family to live without being forced to trade valuable life hours for a paycheck. For others, this may be completely different. If Lamborghinis and first-class flights are your thing, then great. Create a plan and go after it. There is no right answer here. Just be sure that you are being conscious with your decisions and not chasing a life that society has chosen for you. Money is a tool at the end of the day, so once you have your goal in place, you can begin to start using it to design and live your rich life.